Hey guys, welcome back to Fixsoft. Now imagine this. Your laptop or PC is miles away, but suddenly you need to send an urgent email with an attachment directly from your system, or you're on a trip with your friends, but your office says, send this file right now. What will you do? Well, don't worry. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fully access your PC from your Android phone, not just screen sharing, but proper access, send mails, or even run software. For this we'll use a tool called Chrome Remote Desktop. You just need to set it up once on your PC, and then you can access your computer from anywhere in the world right from your phone. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Open the first link. You'll see two options: share the screen or access my computer. Click on Access my computer. Next, click Set up remote access. And it will download a tool. Once done, go to the folder. Now open the tool. It will again open the browser. Make sure you are using same Gmail ID on your browser and on phone. Give your computer a name. Now set up a 6-digit PIN. Click Start, and now your PC is ready for remote access. Step 2. Set up on your phone. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop and install the app. You'll now see your computer's name in the app. Tap on it. Enter the PIN you created earlier. And boom, your full PC screen will load on your phone. Now you can move the cursor with your finger, click, open files, send mails, or even run software, all from your mobile device. It works anywhere, not just on the same Wi-Fi network. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.